Imagine saving for a down payment on your dream home, but the money in your bank account seems to be growing at a snail's pace. What if there's a way to speed up the process? Well, there is, and it's all thanks to a little financial wizardry known as compound interest. Now you might be thinking, compound what? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. In fact, it's pretty simple. Compound interest is just interest on interest. You earn interest on the money you save or invest, and then you earn interest on that interest. It's a bit like a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow as it goes along, except in this case, the snow is money and the hill is time. The magic of compound interest is that it can help your money grow faster than a rabbit in springtime. It's the secret sauce that makes your savings sizzle, the jet fuel that makes your investments soar. It's like having a money tree in your backyard, except it's completely legal and won't attract the attention of nosy neighbors or tax authorities. Understanding compound interest is crucial for long-term financial success. It's the key that unlocks the door to a world of wealth and financial freedom. It's the golden goose that lays the eggs of prosperity. Well, you get the idea, it's important. But here's the thing about compound interest. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. It's about turning your hard-earned cash into a team of tireless workers, each one earning more money for you while you sleep, eat, or binge-watch your favorite TV show. So if you're tired of watching your savings grow at a pace that would make a sloth look speedy, stay tuned. We're about to reveal the secret to doubling your money with the magic of compound interest. And trust us, it's a secret worth knowing. After all, who doesn't want to have their cake and eat it too? Especially when the cake is made of money. Stick around and we'll reveal the secret to doubling your money with the magic of compound interest. Now think of compound interest as a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow as it goes. Imagine you're standing at the top of a snowy hill with a small snowball in your hand. You give it a gentle push and off it goes, rolling down the slope. As it rolls, it picks up more and more snow, growing bigger and faster. That's exactly how compound interest works. Your money grows, not just from the initial amount you put in, but from the interest it earns over time. Let's take a simple, suppose you have $1,000 to invest and you find an investment that offers a 5% annual interest rate. After a year, your investment grows to $1,050. The next year, you're not just earning interest on the original $1,000, but on the $50 of interest as well. Over time, this interest on interest can lead to significant growth. The key here is time. Just like our snowball rolling downhill, the longer it has to roll, the bigger it gets. So the sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. If you wait to start investing, you're essentially leaving money on the table. Let's look at some real-world examples. Investor A starts investing at age 25, putting away $200 a month at an average annual return of 7%. By the time they retire at 65, they have over $1 million. Investor B waits until they're 35 to start investing the same amount at the same return rate. By retirement, they have less than half of what Investor A accumulated. The difference? Time. This phenomenon isn't limited to hypotheticals. Some of the most investors in the world, like Warren Buffett, attribute a large part of their success to the power of compound interest. Buffett started investing as a teenager, and thanks to the magic of compounding, he's now one of the wealthiest people on the planet. In essence, compound interest is like a snowball rolling downhill. The more it grows, and the bigger it gets. But remember, it all starts with that first small snowball. So start investing now, no matter how small the amount. Give your money the chance to start rolling, and over time, you'll be amazed at how much it can grow. With compound interest, your money isn't just growing, it's snowballing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. You've got the snowball rolling. Now, how do you keep it going? Let's dive into some strategies that will help you double your money using the magic of compound interest. First off, the earlier you start investing, the better. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to compounding. Even if you're only able to tuck away a small amount each month, those contributions can add up to a substantial sum over time. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start investing, consider this your neon flashing billboard saying, "Start now." Consistency is another key player in this game. Regular investments, no matter how small, can make a big difference in the long run. This is where the strategy of dollar-cost averaging comes into play. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. Over time, this can lower the average cost per share of your investments, potentially increasing your returns. Now, where should you be putting your money? There's a world of investment options out there, each with its own risk and return profile. Stocks can offer high returns but come with higher risk. Bonds are generally safer but offer lower returns. Mutual funds, on the other hand, offer a balance between risk and return by diversifying your investments across a range of assets. The key is to choose the right mix of investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. And let's not forget about the potential for compound growth. The beauty of compound interest is that it allows your earnings to generate even more earnings. You receive interest, not only on your original investments but also on any interest, dividends, and capital gains that accumulate. This can turn your money into a powerful snowball of wealth. But remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. So don't be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your plan, keep investing consistently, and let the magic of compounding do its work. Remember, the key is to start early, invest consistently, and choose the right investments. And watch as your money doubles, triples, and even quadruples over time. After all, who doesn't want their money working as hard as they do? Doubling your money is a great start, but let's aim higher. Why stop at doubling when the power of compound interest can help you multiply your money many times over? It's like a magic trick, but better, because it's real, and it's all in your hands. See, the beauty of compound interest doesn't stop at doubling your money. It's a financial journey, and doubling your money is just the first step. The real magic happens when you stay on the path and focus on long-term financial goals. Now, you might be thinking long-term goals? Isn't that like waiting for a pot of water to boil? But here's the deal. Compound interest is like a gourmet meal. It takes time to cook up, but once it's ready, it's worth every minute you've waited. Patience, my friends, is not just a virtue, it's a wealth-building strategy. The market will have its ups and downs, but if you're in it for the long haul, those temporary blips become less important. The key is to stay invested, let your money grow, and resist the urge to pull out at the first sign of a downturn. Remember, you're not just an investor, you're a financial Houdini, making magic with your money. But what happens when life happens? What if your goals change, or your risk tolerance shifts? That's where portfolio rebalancing comes into play. It's like adjusting the sails on your boat to ensure you're still headed in the right direction. Rebalancing your portfolio helps maintain your desired risk allocation. If one type of investment does particularly well, it might start to take up more of your portfolio than you'd like. By rebalancing, you can bring things back into line with your original plan. And speaking of plans, it's crucial to adjust your investment strategies as your goals evolve. Maybe you started off wanting to save for a new car, but now you're thinking about a dream home, or your child's education, or even early retirement. As your goals change, so should your strategy. This might sound like a lot to handle, but remember, you're not just any investor. You're a financial wizard, wielding the magic of compound interest. And with this magic, you're not just doubling your money, you're paving the way for a future of financial freedom and prosperity. Doubling your money is just the beginning. With patience and the right strategies, you can reach your long-term financial goals. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling financial journey fueled by the magic of compound interest. Now that you know the secret, where do you start, you may ask? Well, the first step is to equip yourself with the right tools. The internet is a goldmine of free resources. There are countless online investment education platforms offering comprehensive guides to the world of investing. And don't forget about compound interest calculators. These handy tools can provide you with an eye-opening glimpse into the future, showing you just how much your money can grow over time. But, while knowledge is power, it can also be overwhelming. That's where professional financial planning might come into play. These experts can provide tailored advice based on your individual circumstances, helping you navigate the often turbulent waters of the investment world. They can help you strategize and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. But let's not forget the bigger picture. Investing isn't just about growing your wealth, it's also about making a positive impact on the world. That's where socially responsible investing comes in. These types of investments align with your values, allowing you to support companies that prioritize environmental sustainability, social equality, and ethical business practices. It's a win-win situation. You're not just doubling your money, but also contributing to a better world. With the right resources and responsible investing, you can unlock the magic of compound interest. So gear up, dive in, and let your money work its magic. Let's recap the magic formula to doubling your money. Remember folks, the real wizardry lies hidden in the concept of compound interest. It's all about earning interest on creating a snowball effect that works wonders for your money over time. But just like any good magic trick, it needs a little bit of time to manifest. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. So start early, and make to invest consistently. Even the smallest amounts can make a big difference thanks to the power of compounding. Investing isn't a sprint, a marathon. And with compound interest, every step you take, no matter how small, will get you closer to your financial goals. It's a journey of patience, discipline, and smart decisions. Embrace the magic of compound interest, and watch your money grow exponentially over time. So are you ready to roll your snowball down the hill? If you found this video helpful, and want to continue on this magical financial journey with us, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. More magical frameworks and investment insights coming your way.